Hello and welcome to Cook Command Center tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate to the Locations tab and also assign a ticket to a specific location. So when you log into Cook Command Center, what you'll see is a dashboards page. This dashboards page is totally interactive. You'll see 4 interactive tabs up here. You'll also see a menu item on the left-hand side. You can get to the Locations tab by one of 2 ways. You can click up here, or you can also click over to the left hand side. When you click onto either one of those, you'll come to this page. This is going to have all your locations for your entire organization. In doing so, you have the ability to quick search. Say you had 37 locations and you only wanted to filter to the city of Boise. If you did that in the quick search, it's going to bring up only locations in the city of Boise. Going back to the default screen, you can see that all of these are sortable fields. So if I wanted to sort by address or terminal ID or location, I could do so. You can also export. So say you need to audit all of your locations, you could do so by the export function. So in this Locations tab, you'll see a menu or an action item on the left-hand side. These are totally interactive. So by clicking on the action menu icon, you'll see that there's a request service, a details, a service calls, a projects, an edit ID field, and a manage user access. So what we're going to do today is we're going to request service for this Spokane location. I'm going to create a title, so test. It should predefine the company and the location since we did it out of the locations field. So if not, make sure you're doing it out of the Locations field tab if you want it to be predefined. Select a category. In this instance, I'm going to do ATM, ITM. The contact field, this is a pretty important field. This is who you want to be the main point of contact for this case. So if you're creating the case but you don't want to be the main point of contact, you'll simply come in here, find out who you'd like to be the main point of contact. You're going to add them. You can also CC an individual, so if you want somebody else to be carbon copied on the ticket itself, you can add them there. You can add any associated attachments here. You could browse for the file, click Save. And then lastly, put in a brief description. This description has to be a minimum of 25 characters, so let the tech know all the difficulties you're experiencing. Click Create, and that case is now going to be created. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.